All right, so some of you have been telling me that you're having issues getting the Onshape file copied into your workspace, and so I thought I would go ahead and show you how to do that today. First, you'll notice that when you go to the IED homepage that I have a whole bunch of options available for you and to do stuff. I'm going to go into the assignment here, and it's going to open up, and I'm going to find that file or the link to that file that I gave you, the universal middle base. Now, because I have my Onshape already open, I think that's why it's opening in Onshape. So one thing to try is just to have Onshape already open before you click on that link, and maybe it'll open in Onshape. Next, if that's not working, you can go to your Canvas app instead of the web and see if that is any different. I'm going to go in here. Oh, shoot. I accidentally did that. Anyway, so I'm going to log in here. So I got to find the school and type in Noblesville here. There we go. And then I'm going to type in my username and password. There we go. So here we are in the Canvas app. And I'm going to go to IED, and inside IED, I'm going to find that same spot, that same assignment, and scroll down and find the link, and there we go. Again, it's opening up in Onshape. So I don't. That must be because I already have the file or something like that, or that I already have Onshape up. So that's something to try. But if that is not working, then you have some options. So we're going to go back to the home. You're going to go to the public selection. And then once you have selected the public selection, we're going to go to, we're going to type in, we're going to search for my file that I have made public. So type in Onshape vehicle base is what I named it. All right. So it's going to search. Sometimes that search takes a while. So if it does, just let it search for a while. Now, obviously, for right now, it says me instead of Andrew Wilkins because, you know, I'm the person that owns it. But in your case, it'll say Andrew Wilkins out there for the owner. All right. So now you can see that this is a view only. So I'm not able to actually, well, for me, it's not a view only, but for you, it's going to be a view only. So I can copy it. And then once you copy it, it can go into your workspace. Let's see, what else did I want to do here? I'm going to try and go back home here for a second, go to Onshape. Okay, so again, once you're in Onshape, if you have a view only object, so this is an example of a view only object, I can't do anything in there except for maybe dimension it, perhaps, but that's about all I can do. So again, you'll go up and you can make a copy. And then once you've made a copy, it'll show up in your home page or your set of files. And then you can also share. So when you click on the share button, you can add individuals. You type in their email and you got it. You can turn the public off if you want to, instead of leaving it on so that only you and your partner can work with it. And it's not something that's searchable by other people. And there are some other options as well that I'll remind you of. So when you're in the sharing, if you go down here, you can choose whether they can edit it or whether they can only view it. Obviously, for your situation, you want your partner to be able to edit this because you're trying to work on a complete vehicle and you're each working on one end. So that's about it as far as that goes. I hope this is helpful. I think you guys have noticed this, but I have started to put some resources on the homepage for you. And so those are the Onshape vehicle design. We have the project help resources and the FAQs. And I'm going to keep those up to date. So feel free to use them as you need to. Thanks.